also wonder how it is viewed inside a company. In your experience, like when trying to advise internally in terms of how to do open source, do people only care for the layer of developers, engineers who write code, or is it more clear now that you also need to take all other roles into account? And when it comes to the company investing in open source and participating in a particular community that is a strong dependency, like, does the company factor in every single role, or is it still more a developer focused conversation and a product development focused conversation?
It depends. Some of the more sophisticated communities in our company have community managers, developer advocates, documentation experts, and they understand that they need a kind of a well-rounded team to make this project successful. Say like the open search team, they really have a well-rounded team. But then there are other teams where they think it's all about putting more development resources in, right? And but if you look at the OSPO and the open source strategy and marketing teams at Amazon and IP teams, we are all ex-developers or not developers at all. Some of us come from lots of different backgrounds, and I think there's understanding that we need all of these types of skill sets and roles to make our participation in open source successful.
Like we had said before, right, there are so many things about community that aren't developer, right? And so it's a big role for, if a company is going to play a role leading or substantially having influence within a community, you need those other characters besides just developers. It comes part and parcel with the activity.
Exactly right. And people like Phil and I play a role on the board from a governance perspective and from a direction of the entire ecosystem and community perspective. And we need people in all of these different roles bringing in their expertise and moving open source forward. Yeah.